Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from EV Sportline, coming to you from our Atlanta headquarters, and I've got another beautiful Rivian R1S. This one is gloss black, and we do these every day installing our parts, but when you get one in here that's nice and clean and gloss black, I wanted to share it with you. It's always a good day to see a beautiful Rivian R1S. Now, let me tell you what all we have going on with this truck. We've installed our RMaxx running boards and aero panels. Let's get right into those details. So as you can see down here, we've got the RMaxx running boards installed. This gives you the step to get in and out of the truck. Really super convenient, whether you have kids, small people in your family, older people, pets. We love the Rivian, but getting in without that step is a challenge, and this solves it. And as you know, the RMaxx running board was designed specifically for the Rivian R1S. We've put a lot of focus into making sure that we don't give up any ground clearance. The running board fits within the aero curtain on the side of the truck. It's got incredible load rating. You can jump the whole family up and down on here, no problem. And as you might have noticed, we now have a few options. This is the classic original RMaxx running board made from alloy steel, but we also have a new version which is aluminum alloy. It's a lightweight version, a little more expensive, but it's lightweight, not going to impact the range. So whatever works for you, we've got both options. Check them out at evsportline.com, and you can see it right here on this R1S. Now, with running boards, these get bolted on underneath the vehicle, and on the bottom of a factory Rivian, there's a plastic aero panel. You have the option of taking it off and putting it aside, but we also offer bolt-on aluminum aero panels that work in conjunction with all of our running boards. So if you want to retain an aero panel under there and you don't want to cut holes for brackets, you can get our bolt-on aero panel kit. This customer got both. So we've got the running boards up here, and then we've got our new bolt-on aluminum running boards on the bottom. Okay everybody, if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned because we not only have a lot of R1 content, but the new R2 is coming, and I can't wait to share some of that with you. And rest assured, we got a lot of products in development for the R2. All right everybody, we'll see ya.